All right, guys, Uncle Mike 392 out here. Oh, remember the park. I got you. I'm out here at Remington Park, guys. October the 5th. Coffee and Cars. It's my 4th video. It is 8:45. I've been out here since 7:15. This is my 4th video right here. That guy was gonna run me over. You weren't gonna let him run me over, was you? I appreciate it.
We'll see you later.
Take care, brother. Yes, sir. A lot of people out here early in the morning. I've been out here since 7:15. This is my 4th video, and I'm enjoying it. I'm gonna leave pretty soon because they got 2 other car shows I want to go to. They got a car show in Moore, Oklahoma, and one in Jones, Oklahoma. We'll try to get to them. Hellcat. Z51. Wow, okay. Z51. Never seen a Z51. Good morning, sir. That's it. This Shelby is the last one. That's one behind it. guys, let me show you what's out here. We're gonna slow down the cars coming in. Oh, here comes Shelby. Good morning, sir. There's a drone up there. There's another McLaren. Check out this beautiful McLaren, guys, right here. Hey, well, how you doing, young lady?
Fine, thank you. How are you guys doing today?
I'm doing fine, thank you, ma'am. Appreciate you. Beautiful car.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Look at this McLaren, guys. 720S. What's up, guys? McLaren 720S, I love it. This is Scat Pack Fever. Scat Pack Fever. There you go. $392 Hemi. There you go. Hemi Life. Yes, sir. Coming beautiful Audi. Look like a R8. It is a R8. Yes, sir. Beautiful. Sir, is this an R8? Is this an R8?
Yes, sir.
Beautiful, man. What year is this?
23.
23? It's nice. You going this way? Oh, you straight ahead? Oh, yes, sir. guys, I'm gonna wrap it up. I gotta get out of here. I'll see you guys on the other side. This is Uncle Mike 392, and thank you guys for watching my videos. Like, subscribe, and leave some comments, guys. Appreciate you. It's Uncle Mike 392, and I'm out. Late.